is defined as a which one? Primary key. So therefore 101 is not is equal to 102, 102 is not is equals to 103. I mean all are unique. So here primary key is satisfied, but otherwise here John, here employee name is not defined as a unique, and also employee name is not defined as a primary key. So what is happening that here duplicate data is coming. So 101 name is John, 2 name is also John, 103 name is also John. Hope you are all following. So therefore what happens is all names are which one? Johns. So if you want to avoid to repetition of the which one or duplication of the name of the John, we can use the exclude keyword, and it should be defined as a which one? Using gist command. Gist is nothing but it is the index used for creating and implementation of the which one? Exclusion. Hope you are all following. The next one. So how to define this one? We have to create extension. So this is the actually syntax as per the Postgres. Create extension. What is the name of the extension name? B-tree-gist. So like this we have to use, right? So therefore here you can see here error. When we execute the insert statements, here you are seeing this error. What is the error? It is defined, it is telling that employee names, already name employee age is, so they are existing here, they are existed here, either employee name or which one? Employee age. Hope all of you are following. Here two types of constraints are defined. Is equals to means John is equal to John. Here not is equal to means 22 should be not is equal to 22, or 22 is not is equals to 32. So that is why here that record is John comma 22 record is rejected to store into the table. Hope dear students you understood what is the use of the which one? Exclusion. The next one, dropping constraints. We can also drop the constraints also, dear students. So you defined constraint earlier, your master asked you, or as per your work you want to drop the constraint. Then this is the syntax as per the PostgreSQL /d table name, and also you can use this alter syntax, alter table, table name, drop constraint, some name. So like this we can define. Hope you are all following, these are all things. Okay. The next one, DML statements, that is nothing but data manipulation language. So in the beginning of the session I told you the total statements of the PostgreSQL are classified or grouped into 5 categories. So one is the DDL, one more is the DML, DCL, DCL, TCL, DQL, right? DDL means data definition language, DML means data manipulation language. Hope all of you are following. DQL means data query language. So DML, 3 more also there, but we can discuss in one more session. But as per DML statements, so what are they? One is insert, second one is update, third one is delete. So what is the meaning of insert? So you created a table and you want to insert the data into the table, then how to insert? This is the query we have to use. Insert into table name, after that column names, after that values, after that what are the values? KBR, DBMS are the values, right? Author name, subject name. So these are the author name and subject name are the column names. Don't be confused. So like that the insert statement can be used in the Postgres. The next one, similarly update. So update means, so by doing something actually while you are inserting some data into the table, you did some mistake. So how to correct that mistake? I mean how to update that data. So to update that data, update statement is used, right? So update student set, for example username is equals to KBR, where student ID is equals to 3. I mean the database table may have the which one, hundreds of records, out of hundreds of records, the student ID where it is equals to 3, where the student ID is equals to 3. That data should be modified or updated by which one? KBR. Under the which column? Username column. Okay. This is the use of the update. The next one, delete. So delete means you want to delete one row of the table, or 2 rows of the table, or multiple rows of the table. So sometimes it is required also. As per our requirement, you can delete a row from the table by using like this, delete from table name where the author is equals to KBR. So the table is having the lot of data. Among the data where the author belongs to KBR, that record should be deleted. That is nothing but delete statement. Dear students, I hope all of you understand the my explanation according to which one. The first one data types, the second one constraints, the third one DML statements. I hope you enjoyed with the which one, the beauty of the which one, the PostgreSQL statements and data types and constraints, right? So these are the activities you can do. Actually you can create an employee table and execute the which operations? DML operations. What is the second one? Create a table student and apply constraints at column level and table level. Okay. These are the activities you can do. The next one, these are the examples I have given in this one. So one example I explained using the not null constraint, how to use the not null constraint. Second one is unique constraint, I have explained in this one. If you go through this one, easily you can understand without any difficulty. The next one, this is the summary of today's session. So first of all, data type as a programming language, that programming language requires the which one? Data types to store the data into the memory. The next one, constraints, while we are defining the tables are having the rows and columns. So to store the data either into the table or into the column, so we can define the which one? Constraints, they are nothing but rules or instructions. The last third one, DML statements, which can help us either to insert the data or to delete the data or to update the data, right? So first one question, dear students, in the database table, data types describe the kind of dash that it can contain. The option 1 is table, option 2 is data, option 3 is number, option 4 is none of the above. Please you think and put the answer in your mind, right? The answer is B, data, because data types describes the which one? Data. Second question, how many categories of PostgreSQL data types? I explained. So one option is 18, second one is 17, third one is 20, fourth one is 25. Answer is 20. Please, the next, these are the questions we can ask on today's our session. First one is the describe basic data types in PostgreSQL. Second one is list out DML commands in PostgreSQL. The third one is analyze constraints with suitable examples. Okay. These are the references I used to prepare this PPT. You can also go through these website links or reference books. Thank you. Thanks a lot.